touch. The waves are, again, he's right there.
Oh,
The chop is terrible.
oh, I got the wrong harness. Oh, here come some good ones.
Way. There's surf waves.
I don't know.
It's gonna get knocked around like a tree. That's up.
Well, I'm not.
I don't know. What do you think? I honestly don't think this looks like a lot of fun.
No.
I mean, I could race it, but it's not going to be all that enjoyable.
No.
Like, look at the size of this swell.
It's even worse than when Peter was out on Thursday with me.
Yeah, I mean, you know what? On a day like today, we'd have to have 3 people.
Yeah.
Like, I know we could go around the course,
Yeah.
but
The thing is, it's going to get worse.
yeah, I don't know if it's that enjoyable.
No.
And I don't have my wetsuit on. That was a mistake.
Yeah.
Let's go around. Let's go back.
Yeah.
So
So,
let's try to tack.
okay.
I have a feeling, well, no, maybe we're not going to tack. I think we got to jive. I don't think we can. Give in. I think we're going to have to jive.
Okay.
Unless you want to try to tack.
But when the wind's like this, we're not going to have one hell of a time.
Yeah, so if you jive, you got to go away from the wind here. A lot of power.
So, depower the wind, we depower that.
We'll be just going crazy downwind. So we got a while yet, hold on.
Yeah, I'm just...
Okay, you ready?
Think. He thinks. We're not going downwind, we're going to be broad reach, or whatever they want to call it.
your front?
Well, it's less wild, but
Yeah, I mean, we could do this course, but honestly,
like you said, it's no fun.
it's not that much fun. You got your gauge on? Not that we're going fast, but oh, I really slowed down.
Look at these things, you know. Those are not little Mickey Mouse waves.
Yeah. Like, look at these guys are coming in. These folks are coming in on motor.
And we got big breakers here.
Yeah.
Look at them. Oh, Jesus. Well, Mr. Inflatable is not going to be having much fun. Let's fly the spinnaker.
And also, I'll tell you what, this kind of current can break your rudders.
Huh?
This kind of like waves can like just turn your back end and break your
Hey,
rudders.
see, if you pull it a little bit tighter, see what happens. Want to see if we can break the sound barrier.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, 9, 10.
Problem is, you can't really get going
Yeah,
because then you hit a wave.
yeah. Yeah.
Just smash into the wave.
You know, with Thursday, with so much splashing from Peter's boat, that my camera stopped working. It ran for 20 minutes, out of the 20 minutes, 5 minutes, this voice, and then the next file was blank.
Oh no.
So I think some kind of, because I was getting hit by the spray directly into the face.
Oh yeah, yeah.
I think some water must have got in it.
Yeah.
I know.
Like I'm not even moving the tiller.
The thing is,
we're all over the
we've
place.
been out there with bigger waves than this here.
We have,
And
yeah.
not, you know,
But
not this stuff.
it's not feeling it right now. At least the water's warm.
Yeah.
I don't think
The committee boat didn't even come out.
I don't think Dave, is that Dave coming?
Yeah.
I don't think he's going to enjoy it.
Well, there's high mat out there.
Oh, they're going good.
Yeah.
Maybe just go to the middle,
Yeah.
like for the
Ugh.
side.
These guys have no idea what they're in for.